Hello lovelies, it's that time of year again when love is in the air. Well, commercially anyway. You're going to need to draw 3 parallel lines, okay? Just like this. You're going to bring your needle up on the middle line at the very bottom and go back down into the fabric a stitch length away. Leave that loop, it's really important. You're going to bring your needle back up through the fabric on the left line, and this is going to be just above the centre line top hole. Put your loop over your needle and pull gently. When your needle is all the way through, you are then going to go over the curve of that heart, back down through the fabric in the hole where you just came up. So basically it's a chain stitch. That's the first half of your heart. The second half, you're going to come up at the bottom again, at the very bottom of that heart. So come up through the fabric, and we're going to go down into the fabric in the middle again. This is your big chain stitch, remember, so leave a loop and then bring your needle up slightly above that, level with the left side of the heart. Put your loop over and pull your needle gently through, and then stitch it in place like you would with a chain stitch. Now these lines are here just for guidance, to get you into the hang of doing it, because you don't have to keep them this size, this shape. Good thing about hearts, they're not perfect. So they can be tall and thin, tall and fat, short and fat. You can make them shorter on one side and longer on the other. You can give them a little cross at the bottom by overlapping the base, just like these. Happy stitching.